Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you guys how I slay my clients' makeup on camera. So if you guys want to see how that goes, stay tuned. As you guys could already see, I already filled in my clients' brows already. Don't forget to subscribe and to click that notification bell so you could be notified whenever I post my next video. So see y'all soon. The first product that I'll be using is my Rimmel London Concealer in the shade Porcelain, and I'm going to place this on my client's eyelid because her eyelid is so pigmented. I want the colors to really pop when I place them onto the eyes. On top of that concealer, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to use the applicator to put this product onto her eyelids instead of a brush, and then you guys will see what it looks like after I blend it right out. Now I'm taking my Real Techniques blending brush and I'm just using my hands to pull those brows up just so that I can have enough space to blend the concealer onto the eyelid. And like I said, the simplest way to having your concealer looking flawless is to pat that right into the eyelids. Now I'm going to be taking the original A Taste of the Rainbow palette, which was sent to me by the candy shop in the mail. And we're going to dive into that black shade. And the way I'm applying this shadow is basically applying it in a C form. So I'm going to be applying the shadow on the outer V area of my client's eyelid and then pat that into shape. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild blending brush. This brush is very affordable. They range from $1 to $2. And I'm going to use that to blend out the rough edges of this black shadow. Bear in mind that black is a very hard shade to blend, so you guys got to be very careful when blending it. Now I'm going to be taking my Crayon Case Matte Book palette and I'm going to dive into that creamish shade just so I could use it as my transition shade and for the black to look a little bit more subtle instead of so hyper pigmented and black. And then I'm going to go into my Rimmel London concealer and cut the crease. I did do this off camera, which is very simple. Let me know in the comment section if you guys actually want me to make a video on only how I apply and cut my crease. Now I'm going back into the candy shop palette and I'm going to take that gold shade and I'm going to apply at the end of the cut crease, and then I'm going to take a silver shade and I'm going to apply at the beginning. I will be fast forwarding through this section since it's very explanatory when you watch the scenes of this video, but if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and blend out the rough edges of that cut crease at the end, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Now it's time to blend out the edges of that cut crease. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade Jet Black and we're going to apply that on my clients. Now we're going to be taking my Plan A Yolando white liner, which has become my favorite, reason being that it doesn't crack. I actually did not record this on camera. And also I'm going to take my lashes from AliExpress and apply that onto my client. Then after doing so, we are going to go into with some coconut oil just to hydrate the client's face. Now, I know a lot of people has been skeptical about the milk of magnesia, but the reason I applied it was because my client was okay with me doing that. And what it really does is helps the skin to be more hydrated, but at the same time to be more mattified whenever you have oily skin or it's very hot outside. So that's why I'm using this product. And then I'm going to take my NYX Angel Veil Primer and apply that right on top of it. I did apply the coconut oil just to give me an extra layer of protection when I apply the milk of magnesia. So for today's tutorial, I will be mixing two foundation, which is the Fenty Beauty foundation and the Maybelline Fit Me foundation on my client. And I'm using a brush to help me apply this in an even amount as possible. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of this around the brows. The reason why I do this trick is to help the fact that I do not like when the eyebrows have a more highlighted look, and you want the brows to be as natural as possible. So now I'm taking my Real Techniques foundation brush, and I did purchase this at Ulta. You could get this brush at almost any store that sells makeup, which is Ulta, Sephora, MAC, Amazon, anywhere online to be precise. And I'm just going to pat that in the more patted motion. The reason why I use this technique is because I want the foundation to be more flawless versus you swiping it across the face. It also leaves brush bristles when you do so, so you want to try to prevent that. Now I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C14, and we're going to highlight the client's face. And then I'm going to go in with my Nika K concealer in the shade Brazilian Coffee to help me contour the client's face. Guys, recently I find myself really blending out my concealers using brushes. I don't know why, but I feel like I get better results when I do so versus using the beauty blender, but that's just my preference, to each his own. That's okay. But literally, I'm just taking this brush. I actually got this brush from Amazon a long time ago when I first started out doing makeup, and I'm just gonna blend out the concealer and the contour just to help that face look more structured. Now I'm going to take my Saucier Buttercup setting powder, and we are going to set the areas which I just concealed. This is to help prevent that concealer from creasing when the client is out and about throughout the day. Now I'm going to go into my Crown Case matte book, and we're going to take that brown shade right there just to help bronze the client a little bit and bring more warmth into the face, because all of this has disappeared when you apply foundation. So you want to just help bring all that warm and natural looking tone back into the client's skin. Now I'm going to be taking a little bit of that powder to contour the client's nose and just to bring more structure into that nose. After doing so, I'm going to take my Real Techniques powdered brush, and we are going to blend that powder by patting it into the client's skin and just to have everything stay into place. After blending out that powder, I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush and just blend out everything nice and seamlessly in the client's face, and just to bring everything into one. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and we are going to apply this onto our bottom lashes. And then after doing so, I'm taking my favorite highlighter, which is the Crown Case eyeliner in the shade On Roll, and I'm going to add a little bit of glow to my client's face. Now it's time to move on to the lips. I'm going to take a dark shade in the concealer that I actually used earlier to contour my client's face, and I'm going to apply this on the lips. Then I'm going in with my ColourPop Lippy in the shade Zulu Park, and we are going to apply this in the middle of the lips. After doing so, I'm going to take my Nika K lip brush to help me blend those two products together on the lips. And look at how flawless her face look, guys. Like, I extremely like creating this look, and if you guys want more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below. After doing so, I'm gonna go in with my Playbox lip gloss and apply this in the middle of the lips just to add a little bit of more shine to the lips. Now I'm going in with my all-time favorite setting spray, which is the Morphe setting spray, and we are going to set this flawless face because OMG guys, this tutorial was my all-time favorite. Like, look at that flawless finish. It is so bomb. Now this is the end of the tutorial. Let me know if you guys want me to do more future looks like this on my clients, and then I will definitely post them. But I enjoy going and doing these type of looks for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bells, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.